Picking up where we left off, there's the garden out front from the upstairs window in the master suite. This is the dressing area, the desk area. Beautiful architectural touches, just very subtle here and there. Lots of storage. 2 walk-in closets. Fresh air all over the place, all with beautiful vistas. Let's go into the master suite. It's right around the corner. Here we are. All bedrooms have bay windows, with side windows that open. There's your private deck and lake views. Double-sided gas fireplace, enjoyed from the deep soaking tub, which has a ton of privacy. Out this window, nobody is looking at you. Beautiful in every way. Lots of room for art. We're now going into the bathroom. See the materials. I turned the lights on softly since it's daytime. For your purposes, you'd probably like them a little brighter. All of the water closets have fresh air. Being a primary home, nothing is missing. It's all here. A lot of second homes were built for people with vacation ideas. This one, you can go either way. Home or vacation. Make your home your vacation.